If you trade stocks and you're not using this, you're making things way harder than they need to be. What's up, traders? Eddie Z here. I only trade 4 chart patterns. That's it. And these patterns are the 4 greatest chart patterns in the world. And while most traders are drowning in indicators and news and noise, I focus on patterns that have made a boatload of money for decades. They're simple, they're repeatable, and they're explosive. And one of my absolute favorite patterns is the cup and handle. And here's the reason. Stocks like Micron, Seagate, and Tesla back in 2020, they all followed the same script. They formed a cup base, a tight handle, and then they exploded. Now listen carefully. I'm about to show you 4 stocks that are perfectly set up to break out right now. But don't trade them just because I mentioned them. This is not a buy recommendation. Always do your own due diligence. So here they are. I'm watching BWX Technology, that's symbol BWXT. Emmer Sports, symbol AS. Cardinal Health, symbol CAH. And Warby Parker, symbol WRBY. All 4 of these are setting up perfect cup and handles. If you want to learn how to find stocks that are ready to break out and explode just like these, and exactly how to trade them, and a strategy that I personally use that has produced significant results, watch my online training called How to Find Stocks That Are Ready for Liftoff. There's a link in the description. Go check it out right now, and may the trend be with you.